Hey guys, so today we're going to take a look at this 2018 Honda Goldwing Roadsmith Trike. It has everything done to it, and I can't wait to get into it and explain some of the features and what it has. So we'll start things off with it has a Roadsmith Trike kit with a factory styled body that looks amazing. It has a relocated tour pack to give a bit more room for the passengers, for the passenger and the driver. Fully independent rear suspension. It has a chrome wheel upgrade that looks pretty good with all the other chrome on this. Disc brakes, upgraded drive shafts, and CV joints. It has a raked out front fork for better handling. It also has these wing guards inside of the skirts to help protect everything. It has a Nerf bar in the back and a chrome wheel trim package that goes along with all the other chrome accents on this Trike. The other accessories it has Gold Strike twin rail floorboards to help reinforce the skirts, adjustable highway pegs, upgraded Gold Strike grips, adjustable passenger pegs. It also has these fork leg covers that are also done in chrome. It has trunk lights, caliper covers, also in chrome, fork-mounted nav lights, and also LED rotor covers. So this bike has a lot of chrome, a lot of LEDs, and it looks fantastic. Some of the other accessories on this is it has LED passenger armrests. It does have a CB radio. It has air deflectors right there, a cowl visibility kit. They also upgraded a lot of the harnesses and distribution blocks to make sure all this stuff works. But we're going to take a look at this and kind of just zoom in on everything. So there is a custom-made seat. Looks super comfortable. And take a look at the storage in back real quick. And the previous owner that had this documented everything. So all the information on the accessories and everything will be in there. Large trunk space. And it is carpeted. There's the CB antenna right there. Good look at the chrome rims and all the chrome on the engine, transmission. I'll turn this thing on real quick and get a look at some of these LEDs. So a ton of LEDs all over this bike. We will definitely be seen. Yeah, this bike's here at Heartland Honda. We just traded in for it, so here's your first look. Come see us. We're in Springdale, Arkansas, and I'll leave all of our information right here. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you soon.